this tutorial, we will see intro and outro. So, let's start the tutorial. Welcome to my YouTube channel in Wow Anand. We know that we can make intro and outro in many ways, but here, I will make it from template. Because it's easy, and there is so many variety in the template section. For it, click on template section, and then click here, and then click on intro. Here, you can see that there is so many template with different theme. You can choose your template according to your needs. Here I am selecting this, so I will use this template after downloading it. Click here for adding to timeline. Now, I will edit this template. For it, click on expand. After expanding, this is all effect and titles, where we will make changes. So, I am changing here, watch carefully. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for future updates. So, after editing some title and paragraph, here is the result. After it, I will add Filmora logo on intro for better looks. Here, drag and drop to the timeline. And I will adjust this logo according to the screen space. Just watch carefully. Now, this is looking perfect. After it, I will add animation in Filmora logo. Here, you may choose any animation according to your need. I am selecting this animation. Then, click on OK. So now, our intro is ready to export. Now, we will see about outro. For it, search outro in search bar. Here, you can see that there is so many outro template, you can choose any of them. Here, I am selecting this one. Now click on expand for editing. Here, I am doing render preview for better smoothing. Here, we can add anything according to our need. Now, I will edit or change something, so watch carefully. Now, I am doing some advanced editing. From here, you can change color of the title. Here, you can adjust the space between the letter. And you can also adjust size from here. Now, I will add animation to it. After it, I will add logo and add some animation in it. Watch carefully. Now, it ready to export. Thanks for watching.